fantastic welcome also from the representative from the Onondaga nation. Well, very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for that.
Thank you, Paul. Yeah, that's true. So, Paul, why is it so suitable to arrange this urban agriculture summer here in Linköping?
Linköping is a town where we are proud of making ideas becomes reality, and of course this is a very good place for having this urban agriculture summit. And we're also a town with a strong business environment, a lot of companies, some presented here earlier, but others also that are promoting growth, but at the same time also taking responsibility for a better world for the future. So we have a strong business environment, we have a very successful university with 27,000 students, a lot of high-skilled professors in different sub-disciplines, and we have also, of course, a very clear-cut green agenda where we are providing solutions for not only making this sustainable city, but also for combining the challenges posed by the different topics that are stressed all over the world when it comes to green agenda, but also combining it actually with business opportunities. And of course, this is also a good town for fulfilling this very important greenhouse urban agriculture building that I think will also add further qualities to Linköping, not only to Linköping but also to this region, and also provide solutions for the future to other countries. And some cities I've heard are a bit larger than Linköping actually.
Some.
But we will arrange that also.
But you think that you're in the front in Sweden?
When it comes to green technology, of course we're in the front. We have a coverage rate of the households when it comes to district heating for more than 90%. We have all the city buses driven by biogas. We have a lot of other very good solutions for the future. When you're byproducts from the food industry, from the households are used for producing biogas. So 100% of the buses are driven by biogas, and we have proven that it's possible to combine growth, business environment, and also combine it with sustainability. And of course this is a very interesting conference also to, I hope, make further ideas comes to be reality when it comes to this agenda. So
thank you so much. You are the 5th largest municipality in Sweden, about 150,000 citizens, and you are growing with about 1,000 each year.
A bit more, but since we are passing 150,000, I'm saying we are soon 200,000. And we have also a sister city in China, Guangzhou, which is also the 5th largest town, so we have something in common with China also.
Elizabeth, you're working in this region as well.
Yes, I'm the governor of Östergötland.
Yeah. How do you like it here?
I find it very fascinating, and Östergötland is a prosperous region with, as the mayor said, a lot of very interesting companies that are multinational. The market is not just Östergötland in Sweden, it's all over the world. This is the region in Sweden where we have the highest number of engineers per capita, and we also, this is really an agriculture area, and and an area with many interesting new small companies, science centers, etc. And I also hope people have a chance to stay or come here another time to look at the surroundings, read more about the history, and walk around in the charming towns wherever they can find them here.
What do you think is the most important factor for cooperation between the business and the society?
It's necessary. I've been working in the business sector for all my life before I entered the job as governor. I've been working in the steel industry and for the steel industry, and a member of a board of a Finnish steel company. And you have to have this cooperation of many reasons. For business reasons, you have to understand the society. You are supplying products, solutions to the society, and you can really to be able to solve the really big problems of the society, not just here, but all over the world. You have to work together to combine different things like the waste energy, waste product, the byproducts from the industry could be used in energy production, in agriculture, construction work, etc.
Hans, how do you feel now that we've finally started this summit?
How do you feel on your 5th birthday? I feel about like the same. This is actually the 5th birthday of our company. In some ways, we didn't do anything yet because we didn't build a building yet. But of course, we did so much to come here. So what I was thinking, I was kind of losing you when you were talking right now, because I was kind of thinking back when we were sitting 5 years ago at Onondaga Nation, deciding to try to do this. This is really, really difficult, what we're trying to do. And seeing all the talents from the whole world gathered now to try to achieve this, really to do this, not only talk about it, that we gathered all of you here, close to the North Pole, today from China, from Singapore, from Japan, from all over Europe, everyone is here. So if it's going to happen, it could happen here. And we will do it here. And we invite you to really help to do it here from Linköping. It's not only about Linköping, but we are going to start it here.
What are your expectations?
For the summit. Networking, we have the ambition to create one university network before we end the summit. We also have the ambition to create one city network. And of course, lots of knowledge transfer, the normal thing that you do on a conference. We also hope to get the local area, the people of Linköping and the region of Östergötland, to really understand the international interest that is going to come to this region when this house goes up. Because as you can see, everyone from the industry is here, but very few from the local community. Next year, I think it's full.
But this greenhouse, is it not only a dream, will it come true?
Yes, of course. I mean, we are investing very much money in this project since about a year back.
When will it be ready?
Hopefully, it depends on the democratic process that we follow in Sweden when you develop real estate, but we are ready to start building now. But we have to wait for the authorities to make their decisions, and I hope that we can start building at the end of this year. But we will see.
Why did you choose Linköping?
It's the best place in the world.
I agree.
No, but it has one very practical reason. The people that traveled together with us in the bus today, they could see the power plant over here. This is the place where you produce the district heating that we use here in Sweden mostly. On the other side of the highway, we have a biogas plant. Right in the middle here, we put the greenhouse. It's a very good spot to be seen from the highway. It's a European highway. And we can have close connection to the district heating. And we can take the carbon dioxide from the biogas plant. And we could also throw in the biogas plant our leftovers. So what we know after meeting so many cities all over the world is the cities are not only looking for vertical greenhouses, they are looking for smart food systems. So we have to transform waste products into locally produced food. And that's what we can prove here, better than anywhere else.
You've already received a lot of prizes for your work.
Yes.
What are your vision? How far can you go?
If you function like I do, you don't think about this. You focus on the first one to make this happen, because you realize if this happens, there's no limit really. Maybe normal business people, they would think we can have 100 or 1,000. We didn't start this company for this reason. We started this company to solve a societal problem, and then we will create the business while we're doing it. So really, we don't have an ambition of having 100 or 1,000. Our ambition is to have a license, to have a clear technology that we develop here in Linköping that we will license to other users all over the world. But I think that every large city will for certainly have a vertical greenhouse within the next 20 years. Maybe not 20, I'm exaggerating, let's say 40. In Asia, I think it's going to go much faster than this.
A license to change the world, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.